Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I have the first video on my W221 S class, and the very first project that I'm tackling on it is a very simple one, replacing the main trunk lights with some LEDs. I wanted to replace the standard incandescent bulbs that these cars come with, specifically in a trunk with LEDs. I may start converting more and more over time, but the reason I want to do these ones is because I opened the trunk a few weeks ago for the first time after purchasing the car at night, and realized that the lighting in the trunk is not up to par. I've done LEDs on pretty much every other one of my cars as well in the trunk to be able to see in the when you're loading groceries or something, if you're going shopping at night, anything like that. I'm going to do the same on this one. So I'm going to take you over to the trunk, show you how to pop off the lights, and show you how to swap the bulbs out. It should be very, very simple. Alright, so the light we're going to be replacing is right here on either side of the trunk. It just kind of directs lights into the middle of the trunk, and the ones that come stock with the car are not the greatest things in the world. So in order to replace it, all you should need is a plastic pry tool. And really all you need to do is get behind the light on one of the sides and kind of just pop it out of place. Now it seems like that one didn't want to come off on the top. It comes off on the bottom a lot easier because the connector, it looks like, is on the top. And from here, all you need to do is pull out the bulb and swap in a new one. The old bulb is fairly warm, so I'm going to go grab a paper towel. It's just going to pull out. Again, I'm going to pull it out with a paper towel because it's hot. And then you're going to sit the new bulb into place. So I'm going to cut out of the video, come back, and show you how to remove the bulb and put the new one in. Alrighty, so I grabbed a paper towel so I can grab the new bulb a little bit easier. All you need to do is grab it, pull it straight out, and there we go. I'm going to set it in the bottom of the trunk in the paper towel so I don't burn anything. And I've got my new bulb right here. Go ahead and stick it into place, and there we go. Now, sometimes on these cars, whenever you stick the new bulb in, it's going to kind of maybe flicker on and then shut off. As long as your bulb's not polarity sensitive, you shouldn't need to flip anything. What you're going to want to do is shut the trunk and open it back up. The CAN bus systems in these cars, if it senses a short, will kind of cut power to that specific portion of the circuit. So all you need to do is turn the circuit off by shutting the trunk and turn it back on by reopening it, and your light should light up. So now that I have that bulb replaced, all I need to do is slip it back into place, connector in first, and push the light housing in. That's literally all there is to this job. I'm going to repeat on the other side, and I should have beautiful white trunk light now and have it light up the trunk very, very well. So, like I said, simple video, really quick. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.